Hi guys! Welcome to the Panda Vlogs. I'm Bianca Magsino, and in today's video, we're finally doing a room tour. I know I've talked about this video ever since October or November, and we're finally doing it. But if you haven't watched my room tour way back in 2017, I think, or 2018, I'll definitely link it down. And I also did a house tour in our house in the Philippines, so I'll be definitely linking it down below. So let's get started!
Once you enter my room, this is what you'll see. And on the right side, I have a lac wall shelf from IKEA which holds boxes, my panda stuffed toys from the Philippines, some of my bags, and then I did a video on my luxury bag collection, so check that out. And then also I have a laptop bag, shoe box, and there's also a trash bin on the side. Moving to the left, I have my closet, which is a lot different from the one that I had, but I'm still not gonna show it to you since it's a lot messy. And then this gold hook wall rack is from Hobby Lobby, where I hang my mask, scrunchies, beanie, bucket hat, and of course my bag of the day, which is this Marc Jacobs snapshot bag. Under it is an ottoman from Ross, but sometimes I put it under my table. Now let's move on to my desk where I do my makeup and also work and watch Netflix and YouTube. As you can see, it's in front of my window for natural lighting. This table is called the IKEA Linmon/Alex table, and as you can see, it has the Alex drawers on the right side. And then this is the transparent Tobias chair from IKEA as well, and I got this on sale for like $50 something, and it was originally $79.99, and it was such a great steal. And now on my desk, I have decors from Hobby Lobby, and then a small fan from Blocks, I don't know how do you say that. And then I also have a candle from Bath & Body Works, a wooden coaster from Daiso, hair care products, lotions, and a fragrance mist. And then I also have a ceramic dish and accessory holder for some knickknacks over there. Over here is a gold round mirror from Amazon, and I had a hard time finding this online. And of course, my MacBook Pro, which I did an unboxing video of. This laptop stand is also from Amazon, and underneath is a weekly planner, but I don't use it anymore since I started using Notion. And I have my glasses here from TIJ and Eyewear, my Pebble mouse from Logitech, and mechanical keyboard from Apple Maker. I also did a MacBook accessories video if you're interested. And then I also have a Target night lamp here, which is color gray. And then I also have my camera and this round mirror. I don't know where it's from because it's been years since I got it. And then I have books here that I borrowed from my cousin. So right now I am reading 99 Days. So if you're wondering what I'm using to film, because my camera is over there, I'm using my iPhone because I'm using my gimbal. This is the Smooth Q something. I forgot the brand, but I got this last year from my dad. And on my Tobias chair, I have a throw pillow and a bedspread from IKEA. I love this color combination. And now moving here, I have a ring light, which is the perfect size since it can fit the side of my table, so I just keep it there when I don't need it. And this is just an affordable ring light, so I'll try to link it below. And then I have my mirror over here that I got from Home Depot, like that. And here's me and my outfit. I got this top from H&M, of course. And then my skirt is from Shein. It's kind of hot today, so I decided to wear a skirt because I haven't worn a skirt in months. But anyway, I have snake plants over here and dried flowers. Some of my plants are dying because of the UV light. And here is another window, nothing exciting. And this heater is from Lasco. And now let's move on to my favorite part of the room, my bed, which is the IKEA Hemnes. daybed. I don't know how to say it. Actually, Tony Sia and I are matchy, but she has it in white. But you guys know that I've been obsessing with gray lately. So as you can see, most colors in my room are gray, and that's why I got this bed. And it has 3 huge drawers underneath, which is perfect for storage. And I absolutely love this bed. And hanging on the wall are these string lights from Amazon, which you guys have seen countless of times since I use it as my backdrop for videos and photos. And one of my favorite Amazon finds is this cell phone holder that is like a clamp. So you can put it here, or sometimes I place it on my desk and then I just put my phone over here. So when I'm watching, I just don't have to hold my phone anymore because it keeps falling on my head. And the most uninteresting part, behind my door is this hook which I hang my panda headband, my robe, my belts, my cap, this coat, and then this shoelace that I use as a belt as well. It's a TikTok hack that I saw, so that's why I have it over there. So that's it.
And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my room tour. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell button right beside it so that you'll be notified every time that I post. And comment down below what is the color of your room or what is the theme of your room. And that is it. God bless and stay healthy.